Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're connecting your iPhone to a computer or Mac and not seeing the trust this computer pop up, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few steps. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm. After resetting, go ahead and reconnect your iPhone to your computer or Mac. You should now see the Trust This Computer pop-up appear on your screen. And that's it. Problem solved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.